Today we will break down 4 reasons why people feel their strategy stopped working and what to do so you can trade Olymp trade more calmly and consistently. So the first question before a trade shouldn't be where will price go. If the rules move around, the stakes fall apart, but losing streaks can be a normal part of the match even in the strong system. Trading is mental work and your brain doesn't perform perfectly for 4 hours straight. What to do so your strategy works again? Here is a simple plan. Hey friends, Ravi here. There is a sentence I hear all the time. Yesterday the strategy worked and today it doesn't. And here is the interesting part. In about 80% of cases, the strategy didn't break. Something else broke. The context, your discipline, your expectations, or your mental state. The market changes, that's normal. But if every time you take a couple losses and you start changing everything, you will never reach consistency. Today we will break down 4 reasons why people feel their strategy stopped working and what to do so you can trade Olymp trade more calmly and consistently. If you want more breakdowns and useful info, check my Telegram link in the description. Let's go. Number 1. You trade the same signal in different market phases. A beginner sees a pattern and enters, but the market isn't one constant condition. It has phases, momentum, pullbacks, correction, consolidation, range. The same entry can be strong in momentum and weak in a choppy range. If you don't distinguish phases, it feels like the strategy stopped working. So the first question before a trade shouldn't be where will price go, but what phase is this market right now? If it's range, most strategies start producing messy results, and that's normal. The problem isn't the strategy, the problem is using it in the wrong environment. Number 2. You quietly change the rule. This is the most dangerous reason because most people don't even realize they are no longer trading the strategy. Example, you used to enter only near a level, now you enter in the middle. You used to wait for the candle confirmation, now you enter by feeling. You used to pause after loss, now you jump right into the next trade. You used to keep risk fixed, now you increase size to get it back faster. Then you look at the results and say the strategy doesn't work, but in reality you are already trading a different strategy, an emotional one. If the rules move around, the stakes fall apart. Number 3. You judge the strategy over too short a sample. Classic mistake. Someone takes 5 to 10 trades, hits a losing streak and concludes that's it doesn't work anymore. But losing streaks can be a normal part of the match, even in the strong system. A professional approach is not how did one session go, but how did 5 trades go, how did 100 trades go, what's the average win versus average loss, where do the mistakes happen most often. If you didn't evaluate over distance, you will keep jumping between matches forever. Number 4. You trade while tired and call it the market. A lot of people think the problem is the chart, but the real problem is that you didn't sleep well, you are stressed, you are trading in a rush, you have been staring at the chart too long, and the decision quality drops. You start seeing signals everywhere, trading more break rules, and it creates the illusion that the strategy stopped working. In reality, your concentration just ran out. Trading is mental work and your brain doesn't perform perfectly for 4 hours straight. What to do so your strategy works again? Here is a simple plan. Number 1. Before entering, identify the market phase. Number 2. Reset your rules to the original variant. Entry, confirmation, risk, pause. Number 3. Judge results over distance, not one day. Number 4. Limit your session by time and number of trades. It's boring, but boredom is exactly what creates consistency. Remember, most of the time the strategy doesn't break, discipline and context break. If you want consistency, don't chase a new strategy after every losing streak. First check, did you really follow your rule? Were you in the right market phase? Were you in a good mental state? If you want more educational breakdown and useful info, check my Telegram link in the description. Subscribe and remember, stability isn't a perfect market, it's the right action in any market.